like this double heart. Really works with this. Double the love. That's a good name for this one, double the love. Have my heart 2 times, you have it double. See a hair? I love red and white. Gotta work fast. I see this royal is crusting. If you get it too wet, it'll dribble. If that happens, just tear off a piece of paper towel, hold it on it, and let it absorb the water. It won't hurt it at all. Take the shine away. And then brush it back out. This one's giving me a tough time. Get some up in there. Let's put this other. Working on it at an angle, and it's harder to see, so that you guys can see. Unless I would be working on straight on, so you guys will be working straight on, and you can see what's going on. Flat brush, pull it down. Halfway into the piping, you grab that heart and pull it in. That way you don't lose the outline, you hang on to the heart. So it can be a messy heart, it can be a pretty heart. That's pretty heart. Okay, we're going to get the rest of this piping done. I'll put the last border on it, and then we're going to start placing a couple of cute little fun things on it to dress it up a little bit more. So we'll be right back after I get all this done. Okay, just finishing up the brush embroidery. So what we're going to do is extrude the last border around here. So actually it worked out pretty good. Having the white on here already and just able to brush the royal icing down into the border. The other one's going to just cover it. It's no big deal. So it actually worked out. No big deal. I'm pretty proud of myself. I'm like that. All right, so I'm going to get the extruder ready. We're going to put the top border on here and then a couple more little more details. And we'll put the candy cane hearts on here. So I'll be back in just a minute. Okay, I've got the white borders on. Now I'm going to add a little embellishments, and I've got some tiny heart cutters, and these are called aspic cutters. You can see these little tiny ones. I actually got these because I saw a cookie that had utilized these, and these were really tough to find. This is like a $15 set for this little tiny cutters. And there's a heart in here, right there. Of course, I can't pull out. And it's a little bit smaller than this one, so I've got some fondant rolled out, so I'm going to flip it over so that it's dry on one side so it'll skate. Cut some hearts. A little dampness. Water's okay at this point, and we're going to just use this for some embellishments on the cake. Okay. I'm put a bunch of these on here. They might stick because they're wet. Nope. Yep. Nope. Yep. Wrong side. Nope. All right. Put some water on it. Make it stick. So I'm going to put 2 here and there. Just to add some fun to it. Makes the heart stand out on the brush embroidery. Two by 2. And if you got any faux pas, you stick one on top of that, hide it. Using the paintbrush to get it out.